Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Remedios Bodolio. I'm 41 years old. I am married. I have five grown children. I am from Bulacan, Philippines. I have working experience as a nanny and also a domestic helper for almost 7 years. In United Arab Emirates for 2 years, in Hong Kong for 1 year, in Japan for 2 years, and in Turkey for 3 years, where I cared toddler and newborn. I am confident in performing full nanny duties, including childcare, meal preparation, bathing, grooming, maintain routine, and ensure safety at all times. I also enjoy playing educational activities to support learning and development. I am patient, trustworthy, and hardworking, and I will treat your child with love and care as my own. I hope to hear you from you soon. Thank you.